Hi, Michael Canellis at Marvell, and I'm with Giri Kishore, my coworker, and we're talking about active electrical cables, or AECs as they're known. As AI clusters get bigger and bigger, you have more processors, which means more cables, more bandwidth between them, and you actually need to add technology inside them. And so what we're showing here are the 800G AECs, which is, that involves like putting a DSP in both ends, correct?
Yeah.
And unlike some other companies, Marvell is actually using an ecosystem play. So explain what our strategy is, if you could.
Yeah, so we are using currently 800 gig for this demo, where like we are trying to show the flash point of Marvell. We are reaching like 9 meter AEC with our 800 chip links DSP. If you'll see the dashboard of it, like we have 9 meter cable with a good BER. The FEC bin is almost like 4. And we have like a 6 meter, 7 meter. The BER distribution is very good. The
it looks pretty, the bit error rate, so we're going from like -8 to minus like 10.5.
Yeah, which is good, very good for like 9 meter length of cable.
Because 6 is the floor, so we're actually a couple of orders of magnitude above that.
Yes. And since like for the longer length of cable, we have higher insertion loss, and based on that, we have a good BER. So we are showing the maturity of Marvell DSP, which can extend beyond of like 7 meter, which is the current industry standard.
And next time we'll be on 1.6, comes with the next generations and switches and things like that.
Yes.
Right.
So 1.60 we are going to show more in the next demo, where like we are going to reach beyond 4 meter. In the last OFC we show for like 4 meter OFC, 4 meter 1.60, and we are trying to go beyond of 4 meter.
Excellent. Now, some of the partner things are kind of interesting. Like this one I like from 3M. This is a zero radius cable. We're actually...
This is the magical cable like 3M achieved with their technology. You can bend this with, so there would not be any performance degradation.
Which would happen with most other cables, right?
Yeah, if you go in the actual data center, you will have the situation where like you are taking the cable from one point and then you have to bend it to the other point. So we need such cable capability where like you can bend the cable and there should not be any performance issue.
Excellent, yeah. And we have from other partners here,
so these are the different vendors. They are working with us with the Marvell DSP technology.
3.5, right?
3.5 with 800 gig solution. This vendor is like FIT. And then we have the 1.60 solution also, but we are not showing for this demo because we don't have the switch for now being. So these are the cable given by the Infero, where like we have the 1.60 and it's a breakout mode cable.
Right, Y cable, right?
Y cable of 3 meter. The flash point for this one is like we have the thinner cable. It will be easily fit into our data center switches, and it will be easy to handle it. And this is for 7 meter cable again with the Infero, where like this is the breakout mode cable with 800 to 400 gig breakout Y cable.
First shown at the OFC earlier this year.
Yes, so this is specifically for NVIDIA CX8, where like this end goes to the CX8 and this goes to the switch. And we are trying to validate in our lab the performance of this Y cable. It's pretty good.
Excellent. And over there, don't have it right in front of us here, but we're showing a live 9 meter 800 gig AEC cable, which is actually, it can transcend 7 racks, which is almost 500 or more than 500 processors.
True. Yeah, that is what we are trying to show out over here.
Excellent. Hey, well, thank you very much.
Nice.